We'll guide you through how to create ClickUp forms. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your ClickUp workspace on your desktop. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side menu and click on the Spaces option. Choose the space where you want to add the form. You'll see a toolbar at the top of your screen. Find and click on Docs, which is where you can manage your forms. Next, look for the plus icon or the Create Form button, which should be visible in the Docs area. Click on it to start creating a new form. You will then be prompted to name your form, so think of a name that clearly represents the purpose of the form. Now you can start adding fields to your form. You'll have options like text fields, drop-downs, checkboxes, and more, depending on what information you need to collect. Simply drag and drop these fields into your form. For each field, you'll want to click on it to customize the settings. This includes setting field labels, placeholder text, and whether the field is required or optional. Make sure to arrange the fields in a logical order that makes sense for whoever will be filling it out. Once you've added and customized your fields, look for the Settings tab, usually found on the right-hand side. Here you can set permissions and visibility options, like who can access the form and whether responses are private or shared. It's crucial to test the form before sharing it. Click on the Preview button to see what it looks like from the user's perspective. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Save or Publish. Finally, you'll be provided with a shareable link that you can distribute to gather responses. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.